Imagine you're cruising down a smooth American highway in 1972. The sun is low, the sky is golden, and the deep growl of a massive 500 cubic inch V8 fills the air. You glance over the endless hood and see the Cadillac emblem shining like a crown. The world moves slower, heads turn, and every driver on the road knows they're witnessing luxury, power, and prestige at its finest. This isn't just a car. It's a statement, a masterpiece that defined an era of American excellence. This is the 1972 Cadillac Eldorado. Welcome to CarOg 765, where classic legends come back to life. The 1972 Cadillac Eldorado stood as the ultimate expression of personal luxury. It wasn't just another big American car, it was the flagship of Cadillac's engineering pride. The Eldorado had a commanding presence, with its long hood, sharp lines, and wide front grille that seemed to announce authority wherever it went. It was a front-wheel drive luxury coupe, something rare and bold for its era. Under that massive hood rested a beast, the legendary 500 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 365 horsepower and 535 pound-feet of torque. Imagine that kind of power back in 1972, it was like driving a thunderstorm on wheels. The Eldorado could accelerate smoothly and silently, delivering effortless speed and control. The ride was cloud-like, floating over the road as if nothing could disturb its majestic grace. Cadillac built the Eldorado for people who wanted more than just performance. They wanted elegance, comfort, and prestige. Inside, it offered plush leather seating, wood trim, and every luxury feature imaginable at the time. From automatic climate control to power windows, tilt steering, and cruise control, Cadillac made sure you felt like royalty behind the wheel. The 1972 model year was also special because it marked the 70th anniversary of Cadillac as a brand. To celebrate, the Eldorado received refined design touches, sleeker chrome details, a sculpted rear end, and an unmistakable Cadillac badge that proudly stood for excellence. The car wasn't just built to drive, it was built to be seen, admired, and remembered. Even today, when one of these vintage Eldorados passes by, people can't help but stare. It's that kind of timeless beauty that never fades. The car's long and wide body gives it a commanding look that turns heads wherever it goes. It's the kind of automobile that makes you feel like you're part of history every time you sit inside. In its time, the 1972 Eldorado became a favorite among celebrities, business executives, and those who wanted the finest luxury money could buy. It was Cadillac's way of saying, "We lead, others follow." And that message echoed across America's highways in the deep rumble of that powerful V8 engine. Collectors today still consider the 1972 Cadillac Eldorado a masterpiece of classic American design. Restored models can fetch impressive prices, especially when maintained in original condition. It remains a symbol of when luxury meant size, presence, and soul, not just technology. Driving a 1972 Eldorado is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing an era when craftsmanship, power, and style came together in perfect harmony. The feel of that heavy door, the deep growl of the engine, and the smooth glide of the suspension, it all reminds you that Cadillac truly built the standard of the world. The 1972 Cadillac Eldorado is more than just a car, it's a legend that still commands respect over 50 years later. A true American icon, forever remembered for its power, elegance, and the timeless spirit of Cadillac.